Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a line segment which has been divided into equal parts, and we have been given a few options, and we have to find out of these four options which one is having the greatest length. So length of each a small division equals a units. So let length of each small division equals a units. Okay, now let's check the first option, which is AH. So AH can be written as AB plus BC plus CD and DE EF plus FG and finally GH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 small units or 7 small divisions, it will be equal 7A units. And if you carefully look at the given figure, then AH is the maximum possible length which can be obtained from the given line segment, because the length of line segment and the length of AH is almost equal. So our correct answer will be AH. So longest line segment will be equals AH. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.